Hello, and a very warm welcome to the News in Flash column presented to you by Lawseco. I am Anupam Bhadari here, and now let's proceed into the News in Flash for 14th December 2021. First off, we have India successfully tests long-range supersonic missile-assisted torpedo. India successfully test-fired a long-range supersonic missile-assisted torpedo, SMART, of Balasore coast in Odisha on Monday. Weapon system is being developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization of the Indian Navy. The system has been designed to enhance anti-submarine warfare capability far beyond the conventional range of the torpedo. On Saturday, the country successfully flight tested indigenously developed helicopter-launched standoff anti-tank missile in Rajasthan's Pokhran firing ranges. Next up, we have Ravinder Bhakar is the new head of NFDC's Films Division, CFSI. The CEO of Central Board of Film Certification, Ravinder Bhakar, assumed the charge of National Film Development Corporation, Films Division and Children Film Society of India. Mr. Bhakar, a 1999 batch of Indian Railway Stores Service, has been assigned these charges in addition to his present duties as CEO of the film certification body. Next up, we have National Helpline Against Atrocities. Social Justice and Empowerment Minister Dr. Virendra Kumar launched a national helpline against atrocities in New Delhi. The helpline is now available round the clock on toll-free number 14566 across the country. The service is available in Hindi, English, and regional language of the state and union territories. It will ensure proper implementation of the Scheduled Castes and the Scheduled Tribes, Prevention of Atrocities Act 1989. The objective of the helpline is to build informed awareness about the provisions of the law that are aimed at ending discrimination and providing protection to all. Next up, we have India's Harnaz Sandhu wins Miss Universe 2021 crown. India's Harnaz Sandhu has been crowned Miss Universe 2021 2 decades after Lara Datta won the title in 2000. 21-year-old Harnaz has won the Miss Universe crown at the contest held at Eilat, Israel. Harnaz edged out contestants from Paraguay and South Africa to back the crown. The moment her name was declared as the winner, Harnaz broke down with the tears of joy. She could also be seen joining her hands in gratitude. Mexico's Andrea Meza, the reigning queen, passed on her crown to the new successor. India had earlier won the coveted crown twice, with Shushmita Sen bagging the title in 1994 and Lara Datta in 2000. The 21-year-old Harnaz, hailing from Chandigarh, has now joined the league of these incredible women. Next up, we have the Kashi Vishwanath Corridor. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has laid down the foundation stone for the Kashi Vishwanath Corridor. The project envisions a massive makeover of the holy shrine and its surrounding areas. The massive makeover is the first after the 1780 AD when the Maratha Queen Ahilyabai Holkar of Indore renovated the temple of the area surrounding it. The proposed 50-feet corridor will directly connect Ganga's Manikarnika and Lalita Ghat to the Kashi Vishwanath Jyotirlinga temple. Along the corridor, pilgrims and travelers will see a newly built museum and depicting Varanasi's ancient history and culture. So this was all for the News in Flash today. We hope you liked the session. For getting notified about further sessions, click the subscribe button followed by the bell icon. Thank you.